Hello and welcome. Today we're taking a close look at Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Technology, located in Coimbatore. For those of you preparing for TNEA counseling, the code you need to remember for this college is 2725. Let's dive in and see what it's all about.
All right, let's lead with a really strong point. The college holds an A grade from NAAC. This is a big deal. It's a major stamp of quality. And importantly, this accreditation is valid all the way until 2028, which gives you confidence in the institution's standards for years to come.
So, here's how we're going to break it down. We'll start with the basics, who they are. Then we'll cover their official approvals, what courses they offer, and of course, the big one, placements. We'll also touch on campus life and what makes this college stand out.
Okay, first things first. Let's get to know the college a little better.
So, the full name is Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Technology, but you'll often hear it called SRIT. Remember that TNEA Code, 2725. It's an autonomous, self-financing institution, which means it has more control over its curriculum. It was established in 2002, is affiliated with Anna University in Chennai, and was founded by the well-known S.N.R. Sons Charitable Trust.
Now let's talk about those official stamps of approval. These are really important because they're how third parties validate a college's quality.
This is a key point for any aspiring engineer. Two of the core programs here, that's Electronics and Communication Engineering, or ECE, and Information Technology, have Tier 1 accreditation from the NBA. That's the gold standard for engineering branches, and this validation is secure right up until June of 2028.
All right, let's get to the heart of it all. What engineering branches can you actually choose, and who are the people who will be teaching you?
So for TNEA 2025 admissions, here's the breakdown. Computer science is the largest department with 180 seats. Then you have a group of high-demand branches, artificial intelligence and data science, IT, and ECE, all with an intake of 60 students each. The core engineering streams, electrical and mechanical, have a more focused intake of 30 seats each.
So if you add all that up, you're looking at a total of 420 undergraduate seats for the coming year. That gives you a good sense of the overall batch size. And it's great to see they're keeping up with the times. Starting in 2025, they're offering a new BE program in artificial intelligence and data science, a field with huge demand right now.
Now, about the faculty. There's a total of 163 faculty members at the institution. Out of those, 36 hold a PhD. That's a good number, and it means you'll have access to teachers with deep expertise in their fields.
Okay, this brings us to the question that's probably on everyone's mind. What happens after the 4 years? What are the career prospects like?
Yep, we're talking about placements. This is where you see the real return on your investment of time, effort, and money.
So according to the data the college itself has provided for the upcoming TNEA counseling, they've reported a placement rate of 75%.
Now, for that headline number, the highest package, for the 2021-22 batch, the top offer went up to an incredible 17 lakhs per annum. This really shows the kind of potential there is for the top-performing students. To give you a more grounded view, the average package for that same batch was 3.06 lakhs per annum. This is a much more practical number to keep in mind for what a typical graduate might earn.
And who's doing the hiring? Well, the list is pretty impressive. You've got big names like Amazon and Zoho, and then the major IT service giants like Accenture, Cognizant, Wipro, and Infosys. It's a solid list of recruiters for sure.
What about financial aid? The college helps students access a range of scholarships. This includes various government schemes for different communities, the First Graduate Scholarship, the AICTE tuition fee waiver for eligible students, and also Merit Cum Means scholarships.
Okay, let's shift gears from academics and placements to the everyday practicalities. What's daily life like on the SRIT campus? Good news for students from out town. There are separate hostel facilities available for both boys and girls, and the mess caters to both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food preferences. For day scholars, the college has its own bus service that covers 9 main routes across Coimbatore, which is quite convenient. And if you're traveling by train, the main Coimbatore Junction station is just 12 kilometers away.
Now for the things that really make a college stand out, the achievements that go beyond just the classroom. Let's look at research and other distinctions. The students here are clearly making a mark. They've won first place at a major ASME digital challenge and were the overall champions in an e-bike challenge. The college also supports this innovative spirit with an AICTE-funded Idea Lab and a robotics lab set up with IIT Bombay.
On top of that, they even registered 2 patents in the 2021-22 academic year. That's impressive.
Just so you know, all the information we've discussed today has been gathered from the college's official website and government data portals as of the time we put this together.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.